There is a huge amount of content that is created and that is rarely or never used. So we see nearly 80% of content that is created for the field is rarely or never used. So why is that?
What if I told you there's a company, not a pharma giant, not a flashy startup, but a quiet force behind nearly every piece of content a doctor sees from a life sciences brand?
Now here at Veeva, our mission is to build the industry cloud for life sciences.
A company that doesn't just sit at the table, it built the table, wired it with tech, layered it with data, and automated every handshake happening across it.
My focus is commercial content. The customers, the people that I work with on a daily basis are more the marketing and medical teams when they're thinking about how are they best informing and educating their customers on the medicines that are brought to market.
Emma is at the forefront of how content moves through one of the most highly regulated, complex industries in the world.
My part of that two in a box is customer facing, and that's what I love. You ask, what do I do on a day-to-day basis? It's that.
From innovations like Veeva PromoMats to AI-driven breakthroughs like MLR Bot.
I get to work with very smart, very passionate people on a daily basis who work across the spectrum of pharma in so many different places.
I remember my early days as a rep at the start of my career, and we used to have those paper-based visual aids, and I would always use the visual aid from the previous quarter. In this episode, we dive into how Veeva is building what I like to call the infrastructure of trust, connecting teams, simplifying compliance, and unlocking new ways for science to reach those who need it most. One of the most exciting innovations I've come across is the MLR Bot, and I can't tell you how excited I am to learn more about this. We are talking about a process, medical, legal, and regulatory review, that's historically been slow, manual, and high stakes. How did this idea come about, and what role did customer feedback play in shaping it into the tool it is today or it is going to be in future?
This is a new solution. It's going to be part of Veeva AI, which is a major initiative for Veeva more broadly, a highly strategic area for us at Veeva.
This is about technology, yes, but it's also about bold leadership, quiet reinvention, and a future where content isn't just created, it's orchestrated. Emma Hyland, welcome to Drug Diaries.